Okay. Well done, Carter.
Thanks, sir. I could get used to it. Are you alright, Mr. Waylon?
Apparently, the board doesn't think we're good enough. They just don't know how hard we've worked. How are you feeling anyway?
I feel like $1 million.
Well, you were made for $1 billion. And that's excellent.
I can't wait to start driving a car again, sir.
Well, it won't be long. A few more months until the rest of your kind can join society.
No, it's going to be fun.
It's also good that your emotions are improving each day.
It's a strange feeling, but at the same time, it feels good.
That's excellent. Sorry, I've got to go down to the office to do some paperwork, and I think you should go down to the lab just to check if your functions are working correctly.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. Hey, he's here now. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. No worries, bye. Hey.
Hey, Ed.
Hey. Thanks for meeting me here.
Of course.
I just finished uni. I haven't seen you since the funeral. How have you been holding up?
It's been a rough year since then, man.
Yeah, guess it has.
And Zach's parents, they didn't want to speak to me. I remember. And Vanessa, she had so much guilt in her face.
The one who cheated on him, right?
Yeah, but she had no idea what I was thinking. I made that android, and you know, and
Julian, it's not your fault. You didn't know what was going to happen.
that's what everyone keeps telling me.
So how was you on Sally?
She was reminded too much of it whenever we saw each other, so we don't really see each other now.
I understand. So how's the news agency?
I quit, actually. I've been working at the new restaurant in the city, assistant manager.
It's pretty good.
Thanks.
We should catch up sometime. We can go there.
Yeah, they'll give us a discount.
It's perfect. Actually, now that I think about catching up, I want to remind you, I was on the phone, right, when you came to see me. I was on the phone with Tom. He wanted to invite you to the party. Him and Kate are both hosting it. Do you remember Tom and Kate?
Yes,
One's from my uni.
yeah.
They're hosting an end of uni party. It'd be great to have you there. Come on.
I don't know. You can go without me. It's fine.
If you don't want to go, we can just, even 30 minutes, an hour, it'll be great. Like, you can just walk in, eat, and we can go. I just really want you to be there.
All right, fuck it. I'll go.
Jules, you remember Tom's girlfriend, Kate?
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. Do better, actually.
Here.
Thanks.
Oh, thank you.
What was it? You and Tom still killing it with your law studies?
Yeah, oh, thank God we finally finished for the year.
Still better than Tom at it though, right?
Absolutely.
Where is Tom, actually? We didn't see him when we came in.
Oh, he's just gone out with some friends to get some drinks.
Makes sense.
Just need to give someone directions to here. Just have fun though, yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hey, right.
So you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sweet. Mind if I take your beer?
Sure.
Sorry about that.
Sorry.
What?
Enemy's way of talking to girls.
Oh, did he have to find Sky? She's my new friend. They're probably going to the spare room. My brother moved out last year.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I better take these out.
Can't be.
Did we lock the door?
We should put up a sign saying do not disturb, if you know what I mean.
Sky, there's something different about you. I don't know what it is.
Is it a good different or a bad different?
Good.
Well, come here then.
Definitely good.
Ed,
What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing here?
I don't think you should do anything just yet.
What are you talking about?
I just had a strange feeling. Forgive me, but are you an android?
What?
Dude, come on.
I know I sound crazy, but are you?
Why would you think she's an android? Sky, I'm sorry. We had this crisis last year.
You're good, aren't you? Your friend's right, Ed. I was designed a month ago by Desmond Waylon from United Corp. We're here for a social experiment.
Can't be serious.
Who the hell would make a joke like that?
Holy shit.
He's right.
Desmond Waylon, Quentin Mern's brother.
Yeah?
I don't know he had a brother. But he's so lifelike.
Well, we're more like it than the others. I guess you could say we're a lot stronger too.
Maybe I could speak to Waylon tomorrow.
Well, you know that big, tall, bright blue building in the city?
I think so.
That's the one. So, why don't you come up over here? I still look like a human.
But you're not human.
So what? We're done then.
Yeah, we're done.
You're all so fucking sensitive. Stuff this party. I'm leaving.
Thanks for using your android radar, I guess.
Lucky I came in, huh?
Definitely.
We should see Waylon this week or tomorrow.
Why?
Maybe we could ask him about all this and what if something goes wrong again?
Man, I need a drink. You want your drink back?
Yeah.
Hey, where are you going?
Away from here, Kate.
Why? What happened?
Don't worry about it.
About what?
Like I said, don't worry about it. Enjoy the party, okay?
Ed! Why did Sky leave?
Okay. Sky's an android.
Desmond, we were expecting more
And what do you mean?
creative things.
Do you know how hard it is for them to learn that?
That's very good. And there is no denying that seeing them drive is impressive, but there hasn't been much added here since my last visit. You do know that we're on a tight schedule here.
And what?
I don't want to sound rude, but you know we can replace you if more things aren't done over the next few months before we go public.
What? This is my greatest achievement.
I understand that, but it's...
And what the fuck do you people know about this anyway? You know, it's all you do is mark us down like we're some school kids. I'm more careful than my brother was 5 years ago with that android he made and that young guy that
Things
was
that we're all trying to forget. I have no idea how controversial this new program is going to be.
Oh, you don't think we're on track, do you?
I didn't say United isn't doing well. It's just a matter of getting everything done on time now.
Well, you have not seen the occupations of the new androids we're having made downstairs.
No, I haven't. Good luck with that, Desmond. That's in half an hour. I'll see you there. Hopefully you'll have a lot more to advertise.
Yes, I assure you.
Until then, enjoy the presentation.
I don't know what Waylon would be.
Someone's coming.
He's an android too.
I still can't believe Sky was one. I thought there was just something wrong with her.
Hi, I'm Carter. You're not from the board, are you?
No, we'd like to see Desmond Waylon. Can we see him, please?
He's actually busy at the moment.
I'm Julian Dane. He might know me. Please, can I see him?
Alright, follow me.
Thank you.
We'll just wait here.
Sir, this is...
I know who that is, Carter. That's Julian Dane. Thank you. You can wait outside.
Yes, sir.
Have a seat.
It's quite a place you got here.
Yeah, well, we've got a lot planned. Would you like a water or anything?
No, I'm fine.
So, what are you doing here? How did you know about this? We haven't even gone public yet.
I met Sky.
Oh.
And I'm just gonna get straight to the question. Why are you making more androids?
Well, why? Why not? I mean, they can help us do things that we can't understand. They can learn. They can teach us. They can fight for us if necessary. All you gotta do is think about them as our greatest allies.
No offense, but there's some of the reasons why I made Billy.
Listen, I can understand your doubts, but I'm not gonna make the same mistake you and my brother did.
What?
Listen, I didn't mean to.
For a year now, I've had people telling me that it wasn't my fault of what happened to Zach. It was the androids, not mine. And for you to say that to me that it was my fault, that hurts, Waylon.
Well, of course it was your fault. I mean, come on. Nobody knows what new design you added to it to make it fuck up so badly, okay? Listen, I'm changing the world here, and I love my brother, I really did. But the thing is, his greatest mistake was this company's greatest downfall.
Is that what you're trying to do? You're trying to prove to the world that this will work?
The media scorned us after Quentin died for making that thing, alright? The stupid thing ran out the window just before we could stop it. This time around, it's not going to be like that, okay? And I'm going to show the world something it's never seen.
This could be dangerous, Waylon.
Dane, listen, I'm aware of these risks, but this is a gift.
Gift? That's what you're calling it?
I know what I'm doing.
Maybe you're right then, Waylon. Maybe I've just become too paranoid.
I think you have.
I had a pretty good fucking reason why, you know that.
I actually know what I am doing.
Prick.
Get out of my office now.
Hey, I'm leaving.
Dane, I almost forgot.
Yeah?
So you met Sky outside.
She was at a friend's house yesterday, actually.
What? They're not allowed to leave this facility without authorization and supervision.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Then why would you tell me she was there and...
Unless what?
Unless you lied.
Lie? No, they can't lie, and if they did, I would know about it.
I think we should get out of here now.
Hold on, why?
I think we've been set up.
What? What are you talking? Oh, what? So they're just gonna hide in the bushes and jump out and get us? Is that what you're saying?
That's so funny. Just listen to me. Tom, yeah, you and Kate should just get out of here. Now. Don't wait for me. Bye.
Wait, there's other people here now?
Yes. I think you should just come with me now.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I've got a presentation in 20 minutes. What the hell's your problem?
Fine, if anything happens to us, it's all on you.
Dang! Hey! Security? Hello? Damn it. Oh, hey, there you are. Listen, that misfit that just ran out past, he just said that he met Sky outside of the facility. Do you know anything about that?
She was. And I went to a festival.
What? Wait, you know you're not allowed to leave here without supervision or authorization.
Me and Sky have been talking, and we've decided we really don't like you. The human race, I mean. You guys can't really get on, and we thought we were able to live with a species like that, but you're just always killing each other. And that makes you weak.
Dane was right. So, tell me, how long have you been like this?
About 4 weeks.
4 weeks, huh? Wow. It's gonna come to an end right now. Wait, what are
kid that has a train that lifts off.
Let go, you can't do this!
Sky. Yeah, he's dead. It didn't take much. I'll meet you in the corridor. They won't get away from us.
Come on, we have to find another way out of here. No, don't shut the door, don't.
If it open, they won't.
Think they're in here.
What are you talking about? Kate, shut the damn door!
Don't.
If you don't shut it, I'll shut it.
Tom, stop. Just wait.
Shit. They're in the hallway.
Hide. Just stay here. There you are. Get off, mate. Get off.
What are you doing?
Use that.
What are you talking about? We have to get out of here!
You get him. I'll get the other two.
Copy that. And what the hell are you gonna do with that?
Carter, why are you doing this?
Because I hate you and your pathetic species. Without you, there'd be no pollution, no war, no killing. It'd be perfect.
Wall of metal?
You could say that. Me and Sky have a lot of plans. I only wanted to save your world.
Our world needs saving. It does. But not from you.
Get the fuck back! Katie, we have to get around.
How? Sky, please. We were friends, remember?
No, we were never friends. So I'll make this quick.
Thanks, Julia.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry about back there, man. I just don't know what could have happened.
It's alright. It's over now.
That was crazy. Really glad that thing was there.
Me too. It would have made sense for them to go after us. Wayne and us were the only ones that knew about them.
But they can't keep on making those things. We should tell everyone what happened. They'll believe us, won't they?
They better.